We have already learned about arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. In today's class, we will be learning about shorthand assignment operator. We are familiar with assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. And this is the assignment operator that we use in our C programs. And these are the few examples where in the first example what we are doing, we are directly assigning a constant value 8.5 to a variable CGPA. It's not always that in our program we always assign some constant value to a variable. We sometimes evaluate a mathematical expression. Maybe in that expression we have all the constant values, and then after evaluating that expression, the final result we assign to some other variable. And it may also happen, as you can see in the second example, where we are not evaluating this expression based on some constant values, rather based on some variables x, y, and z, and these variables are holding some values. So once that evaluation, that calculation that we have in that expression, that is done finally, then what value or output value we will be having finally from that expression, that will be assigned to this variable called avg. So this is how we use this assignment operator in our C program. But in today's class we will be learning how we can use shorthand assignment operator. That means from the name we can understand that this time the assignment operator we will be using, the whole statement will be written in short. This is the usual format that we use in case of shorthand assignment operator, where small v that we have on the left side, that stands for a variable that we have seen in case of normal assignment operator also. Exp, it stands for the expression that I have talked about, that we evaluate and that we write on the right hand side. Here op is the arithmetic operator or binary arithmetic operator that C supports, and this equal sign that you are already familiar with, that is the normal assignment operator. And this op followed by this assignment operator or equal sign, the whole thing is called shorthand assignment operator. So here in this example, as you can see, we have on the right side of that assignment operator a variable and then +1, and after evaluating this expression, then the result that will be again assigned to the same variable a. So suppose initially, if suppose a has value 5, then 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and that value 6, that value will be assigned to the variable a. After evaluating the expression on the right hand side, finally a variable will have value 6. And if this is a continuous process, then it will be repeated until the condition of termination is reached. Now the same expression has been written in short here. So on the left side we have that variable a. In this general pattern we have represented that by v, and then we have this binary arithmetic operator plus, as we are doing addition, and then normal assignment operator, and then on the right hand side we have 1. So this, the whole thing stands for a plus equal 1, means a is equal to a plus 1. That means a plus 1 will be evaluated and then that value will be assigned to a again. Now here we have another example where a minus and then within bracket b plus 6. So since we have this time b plus 6 within a bracket, so that will be evaluated first, as we have seen in case of arithmetic operators, the precedence. So after b plus 6 is evaluated, that value will be subtracted from a, and then that final value will be assigned to the variable a again. So this can be again written in short form like this: a and then minus sign, that binary arithmetic operator, then the assignment operator, then b plus 6. So this stands for a is equal to a minus b plus 6. Now this is another example where we are using multiplication operator. So a is equal to a multiplied by n plus 1. Now within bracket n plus 1 we have, so that will be evaluated first, and then that value will be multiplied with a, and then that final value will be assigned to again the variable a. So this can be written in short like this. So a, on the left side we have that variable, then binary arithmetic operator, then that assignment operator, and then n plus 1 that we have as the second operand here. Now the division, the same thing, and here this is the shorthand operator that we are using for division, and then we have the modular division operator, and this is the corresponding shorthand assignment operator that we are using here for modulo division. So why we are using this shorthand assignment operator? Definitely it has some advantages. So this is the on the left side, as you can see, this is the normal assignment operator that we use, and on the right hand side we have shorthand assignment operator. So we have already realized that what appears on the left hand side need not be repeated, and therefore it becomes easier to write. So the statement is more concise and easier to read as well, and the statement is more efficient. Now these advantages that I have talked about, this will be more clear when we will be using more involved examples like this. Now in this example, instead of having direct variable on the left side, we are having here an expression, and with that expression we are adding some constant value. So after evaluating this, again we are assigning that final value to that expressions. Now by using shorthand assignment operator, this can be rewritten like this. Now we have another example like this where we have more complicated expressions, so that can be rewritten by shorthand assignment operator like this. Now in this C program we have two parts. In the first part we are using the normal assignment operator. So we are performing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all these arithmetic operations, and with these variables we are adding or subtracting, multiplying or dividing some constant values, and then the final value we are assigning to the same variable, and after calculating we are printing those values by using printf statement. And in the second part of that program we are using shorthand assignment operator for the same variables or for the same input variable that we have used in the first part, and then after calculating again those output values we are displaying or we are printing by using the same command or same library function printf. And then after executing the program we will see that what value we will have. So after execution, what we can see here is that for without shorthand operator, the operations that we have performed in our C program, the results that we are getting, the same set of results we are also obtaining in case of that piece of code in the second part of our program where we used shorthand assignment operator. So what we can conclude from this class, that if we use shorthand assignment operator, then that makes our program more concise and more efficient and easier to read and write, and that doesn't change the output value. So I hope in future when you will be writing your own C programs, you will be able to use shorthand assignment operator. With that hope, I end today's class. Thank you.